We continue to track Tropical Storm Melissa as it forms in the Caribbean. Right now, it's moving towards Jamaica and Haiti.
Melissa is expected to bring some heavy rainfall to both Haiti and the Dominican Republic through Friday. Flash flooding and mudslides are also possible. The storm is forecast to become a hurricane by Saturday morning. Hurricane season typically peaks around mid-September.
All right, 7:48 right now. Turning back to Chris. And Chris, we have a few more weeks left of hurricane season. Is that right?
Yeah, and this is actually a big concern for this system because sometimes I think we underestimate the term tropical storm. Oh, it's just a tropical storm. Well, there's been a lot of tropical storms throughout history that have actually been retired because of the rainfall that they promote. And the worst thing you can ever see is whenever you're looking at a tropical track is instead of seeing a cone, you just see a big circle, because that means that it pretty much is just dancing around one center point. And I'm going to show you that worst case scenario. So check this out. 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds right now with this beast. This is a monster. One thing, if you look really closely, see that little jetting out of the satellite imagery? That shows that this is growing in the vertical. So this is getting stronger. So likely it's going to be right around here that we're going to start to see an eye wall form, because this will soon become Hurricane Melissa and even turn into a Category 2. So even though it is not set to make landfall in the United States at this point, this is a big deal for the Caribbean. Check this out. This is what I'm talking about. See how the cone slowly turns into a circle? What this is representing is, look at the time frame. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This is a slow mover where Melissa screeches on the brakes and doesn't technically make landfall. So the strongest winds will be offshore. So you're dealing with tropical storm force winds pretty continuously, really focusing in here on Jamaica. But this is a wide span of potential rain that we're going to see here. And the longer range models are showing that this is going to loop back and then head back towards Hispaniola. But a tremendous amount of rain is going to fall with this system. So that's my biggest concern that I'm seeing here. So here is rain through October 30th. This doesn't show the exact timing, but shows everything filling in. This is potential, and anything in that bright yellow represents a chance of up to 15 inches of rain in parts of eastern Cuba, Jamaica, Hispaniola here to the south, and Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Not a good situation. It was trending a little bit further east, and that was impacting more in Puerto Rico. Still a decent amount of rain there, but nothing like this core here that I think some areas could actually get up to the 20-inch mark. So you're talking about up to 1 to maybe even 2 feet of rain to fall, and a lot of that could fall out in the ocean, but that's something that they really have to keep an eye on, especially since it is hanging out for so many days, even though the heavier bands are going to be just offshore. So just wanted to really share that with you. Big time storm system. Those are the sneaky type of tropical storms and hurricanes that are much worse than they may look on paper.